Kevin asks, would it be better to replace my off-center fed dipole with a Hexbeam or buy an amplifier? I live in Pennsylvania and I have QSOs with Australia on the southern tip of Chile, Japan, Europe with my current dipole.
I don't know. It seems to be working for you, doesn't it? I'd get another one of those off-center fed dipoles.
Yeah, I don't know what are the power limit. I don't even know what the power limits are with the Hexbeam antenna. If
I think most of them will run at KW or more.
Okay.
I think you run full power with a Hexbeam, but man, you're doing pretty good with that.
Yeah.
I've always said antenna over amplifier any day of the week. A good working antenna doesn't need to have more oomph in it.
Exactly.
Right. That's my personal opinion. And some people will tell you life's too short for QRP.
Actually we're cycle 25 has started, so things are only going to get better, especially in the upper bands. Down in the basement of the sunspot cycle, if you really wanted to do anything on 40 and 80 meters, an amplifier, of course, is almost a necessity. But as it's going to heat up, and if 20 meter DX is your thing, I almost believe that you might get more enjoyment out of a Hexbeam than you will using, investing in an amplifier at this point in time, and then maybe save your pennies for when we start to get on the other side of that sunspot cycle and you really want something for the low band stuff.
Right. Yeah. Because when 20 is open, you don't need much. You really don't. Even running less than 100 watts is more than sufficient with 20. It's open. 15 gets open. And they're opening up now more and more every day. So, keep your fingers crossed. You will always miss a contact if you don't get out there and call CQ. I'll say that.
Yep.
So even if you think the bands are junk, get out there and make a call. You don't know what you're going to find. A good example is a guy I know, 2 o'clock in the morning, couldn't sleep, goes down to the basement, turns on the radio at 20 meters, 2 o'clock in the morning. And all he hears is CQ North America, CQ North America. Well, picks up the microphone, goes, "This is North America, go ahead." Just got to get on the air, even when the bands don't look like they're doing very good.
Yeah.
Definitely get out there anyways. But I am of the philosophy antennas are better than amplifiers. Other people are going to tell you different. There's no right or wrong answer on that. It's what you want. But antennas are cheaper.
They are. They are. Total cost of ownership. You're gonna better deal with a quality antenna than you will with amplifier, and then that energy bill again.
More smiles per mile.
There you go. Thank you so much for the questions. If you keep sending them, we'll keep answering them. Feel free to leave your questions and comments down in the comment area below. I'll filter through them, and who knows, yours may end up on our next Your Questions Answered live stream. Our Q&A live streams happen on the first Thursday of the month, starting at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Time. I hope to see you there. For more articles and information, along with a full line of VHF and UHF antennas for sale, please check out my website at www.jpole-antenna.com. Your support of this channel drives the production of future videos. Check us out on Patreon. Patrons gain access to exclusive content, and our patrons help keep the mission alive. That's over on patreon.com/KB9VBR antennas. Well, give us that thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if it's your first time here. That's your best way to be notified when a new video is released. I'm Michael, KB9VBR. Have a great day, and 73.